So you want to learn how to make, oh, fucking window, man. So you want to know how to make a girl like you in 5 minutes or less, you lazy motherfucker. Okay, you came to the right place. This is Jin with SeductionAtleast.com, helping you unleash your best with women and beyond. In today's video, we're going to tell you how to make a girl like you in 5 minutes or less. So I'm going to try to get through this quickly. And if you haven't subscribed or hit that notification bell, and you get weekly updates on our videos on seduction, dating, and keeping the girl long term. So let's begin. Step number 1, have a good eye contact and smile. Now, this one's like obligatory. Like, this is one of those things, again, it's like dribbling. If you don't dribble, if you can't even dribble, you're not even gonna get to the basket. So you just have to have a good eye contact and you have to have a good smile, because those two things, if you don't know a girl, and especially if she's very attractive, if you fuck those things up, she's just probably gonna ignore you, blow you out, or just give you one of these faces. You don't want one of those faces. Step number 2, relate to each other's interests without being needy. Now, the point of interaction, a lot of times, I think guys tend to think it's about being clever or witty, but it's not. It's really about relating to each other on the deepest level possible in the quickest amount of time possible, which sometimes can be difficult, but the reality is you just want to do it without seeming too needy. So you do this by asking her things about herself and relating things back to yourself, to what she's saying, but you don't want to do it in a manner that's very supplicating. You just want to act very casual, very fun going, and just naturally curious. You want to know what she's about, where she's from, and oh cool, you're into painting. I actually was really into drawing as a kid, but I stopped because of so-and-so, and next thing you know, she's saying, these kind of conversations are what really counts, not just the funny conversations. That's really what's gonna make her see you again. Step number 3, be physical early. Now, do I mean scare the bitch off and make her call the feds on you, and next thing you know, you're on a milk carton or running for your life and surviving on nuts and seeds and berries because you're running because you now have a false rape allegation? Nah. What I basically mean is you want to incrementally get her comfortable by slowly starting with soft physical touches that are casual and platonic, like say the side of her arm or her shoulder, or like maybe not the small of her back right away, but the side of her arm, her elbow, her shoulder, but you don't want to leave it there for a long time. You just want to slowly progress this. Maybe you compliment her ring, touch her hand for a second, maybe give her high fives, side hugs, and progressively increase that over time. But you want to start early. That's really what's important, because otherwise she's not going to be comfortable. Now, it may not be a situation where you could. It may be work. Maybe a high five's cool work environment, maybe it's not. If you can't, just go for a high five. And if you can't go for a high five, then just don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Step number 4, have positive masculine energy that is outcome free. Now, you want to be a leader, but it's hard to lead and pursue a girl because essentially that's what she wants. She wants you to pursue her, but if you pursue her too much, you creep her away. So it's like this trying to find the boundary in between. That's really the trick. So essentially, you want to be excited to lead her, but you don't want to seem like it's going to be the end of the world. Like, if you say, oh, hey, yeah, don't just ask her out. Say, oh, hey, yeah, I was going to get some coffee after work. You should tag along. Like, it'll be cool. But if not, like, it's totally cool. Like, you can do whatever it is you need to do. It's not a big deal. Basically, that's the kind of energy you want to have. Like, you're just out having fun. You're outcome free. For attractive girls, for women in general, that's just very attractive to have your own life and not to know that her as a stranger, some pretty girl, isn't gonna ruin your life. It's important for her to know that, so she knows that you aren't corny. Plus, like, yeah. Step number 5, actually ask her out. Have a goal in mind. Now, a lot of guys, when they talk to girls, a lot of times it'll be at work or school, and they'll talk to girls and they'll hope maybe that they'll hear, like, in the grapevine somewhere, I don't know where, that the girl likes them or something like that. Or maybe when they do ask a girl out, it's so much pressure, it's almost like a romantic dinner. You don't want to do that. Again, like the previous step said, you want to act like it's really casual, like you just headed out somewhere. After, of course, you relate some interest to her without being needy. You get some high fives, you get some casual physical touch. Now it can be platonic, and then when you actually get her outside of work, side of school, then you can actually progress it romantically, sexually, and etc. And if you like that video and you want to see more on how to get the girl, how to keep her, and general self-improvement for yourself as men. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and until next time, remember, confidence is bred by competence.